Hello everyone, good day all. Welcome to CAD-CAM LODS tutorial. Today we continue in our AutoCAD Introduction to Interface series, AutoCAD Complete Tutorial for Beginners, Part 3. In this Part 3, we shall be looking at the following topics: how to edit dimension line and dimension text, how to add and edit layers, how to add and edit tests, have different types of tests, have single line tests and multiple line tests. And finally, how to print your work, your work project with scale. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. Now you have your sketch. I want to get the dimension of my sketch of this very tunnel perspective. Okay, where this your interface and this ribbon, to get your dimension, you come to this annotate. Okay, annotate, come to this dimension. This is dimension. Okay, that dimension, you click there, that fly out. You have different types of dimension. As you want to dimension at an angle, you have them: linear, incline, angle, angular, arc, radius, up to this extent. Okay, so you simply click on this linear. Want to get the dimension here. As you click that dimension, your cursor change, ask you to specify the first extend line origin. Okay, or you look at it from this dimension command line, this command line menu. The same information on the cursor, the same information that you see here. Okay, because your object snapping, polar tracking is on, object snap is on, 3D object snap is on, object snap tracking is on, and allow disallow dynamic UCS is on. All of them have their various shortcuts. This one is dynamic input. Okay, this dynamic input, make sure it's on to enable you put the text. This one, you have that space, you have it to enable you to put your parameters. When you have, as you move your cursor, you'll be able to put your input. So specify the first extent here, take it to this side, the endpoint, click there. Okay, take it to this other side, click this other extent. Okay, the zoom, click here. Okay, this is the first, this is the next line. Okay, now you want to click and drop it here. Okay, you have dimensioning, and AutoCAD have a system of dimensioning, and it doesn't matter the kind of scale or text you are using. Okay, because everything can be a structure and can be edited, so you can't really see the dimension, the value of your of the dimension. So you use your middle mouse button to zoom. You know that okay, it's 25.298 81 millimeters. Okay, to get it eligible for you to see, what you will do, okay, you come to this dimension, this dimension section, come to this small dimension style manager. Okay, click on this small arrow, click on it. A dialog box dimension line style manager will open for you. Okay, so you create a new dimension style manager. You click on new, then you name it. So this is another way of formatting your page. So if you format it now, you can be able to use it next time. Okay, so that when you come, you open a next page, you can be able to activate this very name of the dimension manager, the dimension style, be able to use it in subsequent time. Okay, now I want to name it. Put any name. Okay, I'll put drawing. I'll put drawing lines. Okay, put drawing lines. Okay, I set it. You come to this place. Okay, really on standard. Okay, standard. This is a new name you choose. Okay, you click on continue. Okay, this new dimension line drawing is in open. As the new dimension line style you have created. So the dialog box comes up. Okay, now show you come to this one first, symbols and arrow. Click on it. You want to change your arrow size. You see the default arrow size 0.18. Okay, so you can change it and put something reasonable bigger. Okay, 1.0. I put 1.0. Okay, come to test, the test. Click on the test. You also change the test height. Okay, change the test height here. It's the same 1.0.1. You put the same scale. Okay, 0.1 here, 1.0 rather. Okay, you've done that. You click OK. You know that has increased now. You now set close. If you realize it has not been affected because you have not activated it. To activate it now, you click on the dimension. Click on this dimension line, click on it. Make sure it's highlighted. Okay, it's highlighted. If you come to this very flyout, know that it is the default one that is there. So you now click on this flyout and select the one you now draw. The new one you created. Select it, drawing line. Okay. Now you can see your work, your dimension is now eligible for you to see. Okay. You can see it now. Okay. Now also we want to format our precision. We want to format this text, our precision. We want to change the decimal point, and we want the unit of our dimension to appear on our dimension line, in our dimension figure. Okay, to do that, go back to it. Okay, go back to that arrow, click on it. Okay, you modify, click on modify. Under modify, come to primary unit, click on the primary unit. Okay, the uniform format is decimal. Okay, leave it in decimal. All disciplines have their own. Have scientific decimal, decimal is the general one. Have engineering, architecture, fractional, and all these other ones. Windows desktop. Now we'll leave it with this decimal. Come to precision. Okay, normally it was in 3 decimal places. So we want to change it to 2 decimal places. Click on this 0.00. Okay. Now if you see anything you click to change here, that's what actually will be affected on your model. Okay. Then come to this surface. Put the unit of your dimension. I want it to be in millimeters. Actually, it was the initial default. The default unit is millimeters. So I want my dimension in meters. So I'll put a surface in M for meters rather. Okay, that's it. Then you also scale the scale factor. Okay, because you are changing it from millimeters to meters. Yeah, we know that 1 meter is equal to 0.00 millimeters. Okay, you now type 0.001. Okay, that is the conversion factor. Okay, the scale factor from meter to millimeters. Okay, we want it to be in meters. Okay, that's why we convert it from millimeters to meter. Okay, that's good. You now say okay and close. That's very good. So your dimension has automatically changed, giving the answer in meters, and the unit of your dimension has appeared with your dimension. Okay, so that is what we really want. No, any other dimension you want. If you want to dimension this other side, this one is giving you, you have to give you all the dimension in meters. Okay, if you want to this one, okay, to give you dimension. Okay, this one Want to dimension them, they all give you the dimension. Enter. Want to dimension all this line, they will all give you the dimension. Okay, so that is how you format your dimension text and dimension line. Okay, go over it again and get yourself acquainted with it. Okay, don't fail to save your work as you proceed. Okay, that you can choose to delete it. Anyone, if they are too clumsy, you can choose to extend them. You can extend them from here. Click on it and extend. Okay, undo. So you can choose to delete them. You can choose to delete them anytime. Click on them and delete. Click and delete. Click and delete. Okay, and you can just leave the first one, what we are following. Okay, now we go into the second one. Okay, how to edit, how to add and edit layer. Okay, go over it again. You come to your home, you come to layer section. Okay, layer are platform that helps you distinguish your different part of drawing with different label. Enables you to label your model, your structure, whatever work you are doing. Layers help you to label your work differently and give it a unique appearance. Okay, then you will be able to, assuming I'm modeling a very complex work that have different components. Okay, layers will be able to help you to identify and differentiate them with their unique properties. Okay, now if you want layers, you come to this layer property, click on it. That first one, you wait for it. Okay, this layer, okay, this layer properties will come up. Okay, we have a statue shows you that, okay, particular layer, the default layer is 0 and you can't change it. You can't change the default layer. They use the name 0. You can't rename it. Okay, you can't rename it. Say actually the selected layer cannot be renamed. Okay, that is the default layer. Click back on it. Okay, this one shows you, this portion shows you that, okay, a particular layer is on. The particular layer you are working with is on. Here, hover over it is here. This one where you can freeze a particular layer. Freezing of particular layer is to make it, is a way of like deleting it or make it inactive. Okay, you can actually lock the layer and the color of the layer. Okay, you can extend this one, have the line type, and also have a line width, and have your transparency and a plus style here. Okay, so that's all about layer. Okay, now we want to add a new layer. To add a new layer, either you click on this new icon or you right click on this platform inside here and click new layer. Okay, let us click on the icon, new layer, that is alternate N, that is the shortcut. Click on it. So this is a new layer, layer 1. Okay, we want to rename it, put it a unique name that you use. Okay, I want to put it line colors. I want to put this name this layer line colors. Okay, the line color. Okay, now I've chosen it. To switch that line, the layer on, I've created it. I can choose it to be on. Make it on, you just double click on it. Make sure that goal is ticked. Make sure that, okay, that is the layer that is on. Okay, this is the default one. You can click on it. These are other layers that are here. You can create as many layers as possible. Okay, I want to create another layer. I want to create another new layer again. I want to name this one. I want to name this one. I want to name it house. Let me put house model. Okay, you can name it any name you know you'll be used for. You can switch it on. If I switch it on, it will be on now. Okay, I want to choose a color for the line, the first one. Choose a color for that first one. To choose a color for the first one, that line color, I will extend this one to choose a color for it. Color for that line color, I'll choose, click on this place. A color palette will come out. Okay, I would like my line color to have okay, should have a yellow color. You now choose it. Now say okay. That is it. Come over here, hover over it. You choose the line type is continuous. Okay, line type is continuous. If it's not continuous, you can load from here. Load. Make sure you choose any line type you want. Okay, choose any line type you want from here. You can go over. Okay, I'll choose this one. Choose this one and say okay. You say okay here. Now you can choose the line width. You can choose the line width. You can choose the line width, any line you want. Okay, you can choose the line width. Since it's a line color, just go with the default one. You can choose any one you want. Okay, or let me choose 0.13. Okay, I choose that one. Now say okay. So that's how I change your color. Okay, this house model. Okay, let me change the color. I want to change the color to be, I want to get it a blue color. Change blue or green rather. And I say okay. I change it over it, and if another one, the line width is white. Okay, every one you can choose any one. Okay, any one you choose. Let it say okay. Now click outside. You click outside. Now okay, this is line color. I want to activate the, if I click on my model, I want to activate a particular layer. Okay, now I want this line. I'll click it and ungroup it. I want to ungroup my work. Hope you are following. Okay, so I want to activate use the various, where you see the layers you created. If you come to this place, you see the default layer that are here, the one you created, the one you created, this house model and this line color. Okay, I have the different colors here. Now to activate them, to choose them, okay, I want this, my dimension line, I want a particular layer, to name it a particular layer. If I click on it, the one that will show here, that it's a default one, that's 0, and there's no way you can change it. Okay, you can, I want to choose line color for that one. Line colors, I want my dimension lines to have a particular layers. Okay, so I know that if the one is activated, I know that okay, that is the dimension line. Okay, now I want the model, my work, to have a different layer. Okay, you come to this place, but as I click it, you see that it went by, it's a default. It was carrying initially model or made that sketch. with a default layer. Okay, so I want to change it to a new layer. Now click on this flyout. On the flyout, I want to use it as a house model layer for it. Okay, now so that's how you format your layer. Okay, layer will give you unique features to your drawing, to your sketch, or to your work. Okay, then you have different lines or different parts or part component in your work. Layer will help you to differentiate and give you a unique appearance. Okay, that's very good. Now I want to choose a layer for my work. Maybe just watch. Now this is a house model. I want a different layer in the roof and on the bricks. Okay, if I click on this side, the brick side, I'll choose a different layer. Okay, I need a different layer. Come to home, click on home. It's a default. I want the house model layer on it. Okay, and on the roof, maybe I need a house. I'll choose another, maybe off this one. This is another one I created before, or choose the one you created. The line colors all the same. Okay, so that's how you differentiate or color your model using different layers. Okay, layer, yeah, you can decide to switch the layer on. If I switch, you can switch it on from here like this one. This icon that look like a electric bulb is the icon to turn off or turn on a particular layer. Like this house model, if I want to turn it off, I'll just click on it. Okay, so it asks you that a current layer will be turned off. What do you want to do? I want to turn it off. If I turn it off now, okay, see your hash button and a hash pattern and everything went off, giving you a darker appearance, showing you that your layer has been turned off. Okay, you want to turn it on, just click on it, click on that file, double click or just click, your layer will be on. Okay, my layer will be on now. Okay, so that's how you do it. Then if you want to freeze, okay, if you want to freeze a layer, if I want to freeze it, you will hear what they will tell you. Say this current layer cannot be frozen because it is the current layer. Okay, so you can turn it off. You can turn off the current layer instead of freezing it, or you can make a different layer the current layer, a different layer the current layer. Okay, so if you want spearhead to freeze, you go over to the manager and freeze it from here. Okay, freezing it is another way. You're like deleting it. Okay, so that's how layers are all about. So if you have your project that a complex project, you can, like a house plan, you can be able to create different layers for the wall, different layer for the doors, different layer for the windows, different layer for the roof and the like. Okay, it depends on the kind of project you have. Okay, hope you are following. Now going to how to add text, how to add and edit text on our drawing. Okay, now I want to edit text. To add a text, this is a text under this notation. This is a text icon, a text tool. You can, if you click on that flyout, you have multi-line text or have a single line text. Okay, the shortcut for text is simply you just type STS. Okay, text. They now show you that your text is now activated. Okay, to know whether it's a single line or not, you first click on the height. If you click, the first point you click asks you to specify the height of your text. Okay, if you click on that height, then now take the direction you want your text to be. Okay, so that's this icon show you that okay, it's blinking for you to test to start typing. Okay, I'll type lines, okay, or I type dimension line, okay. Click outside, press escape key to go out of that place. To pick this line, that dimension, you can pick it, okay, pick it to this side, okay. This is where you pick that your dimension. You can pick it to anywhere, okay. You can pick it to anywhere. Now, if your dimension is too small to edit it, click on this that blue icon, right click on there. You see how you have a quick property dialog box will open for you, okay. You have this quick property editable dialog box open for you. Here you can edit the height of your text. You can put the height of your text. I think let me put 2. I put 2 and now enter. So your dimension has been changed, okay. The dimension has been changed. You want to edit the dimension itself, the text itself, just double click to give you editable platform. You want to edit the text, understand? Double click, it will highlight it for you, and you'll be able to type whatever thing you type. Assuming you made a mistake or there was an error while typing, you can double click on it and edit, okay. To edit the height, the length of the text, click on the text. This blue icon will come up, right click on it, okay, and click on the quick properties, okay. Now it will give you access to show you the text. Will show you that okay, we'll define the layer the text is on house model, and the content is dimension line, and the standard and the style is standard. All this one will give you, and the alignment is depth, the height is rotated by 0 angle, okay. So that's the properties of the text. So you can decide to change it, put it, if you put 5, enter, okay, your dimension has been increased. So click outside, okay, to remove it. To move the dimension, you can move it to anywhere. Just click on the text, okay, click on the text, and you'll be able to move it. Put your cursor on that handle and move it, okay. That's very good. Now let's go over to multiple tests. For multiple tests, you click from here, this multiple line test, or you simply type on your space mtest. Mtest is for multiple tests. For multiple tests, if you click on it, it asks you to specify the corner. It's just like when you pick a rectangle or any of these solid shape, asks you to draw a particular area you would like to draw, because it's a multiple test, it's not a single line test. So you draw as large as you want it, okay. I want it like this, okay. It start blinking. You can hold on this handle and increase the column, okay. You can increase it down here, okay. So because it's a multiple line test, it's more than one line, so you zoom it to a particular area, it will enable you to type whatever thing you want, whatever information you have to put it inside there, okay. Now I put AutoCAD, training manual, okay. Training manual, okay. So it's a multiple line test. This is what I type. I can now enter. Okay, can increase it. Okay, can increase it here, here. You undo, not giving you what you want. You click on it. Okay, you have AutoCAD training manual. Okay, you enter another line. You say okay, and now say thank you for watching. Okay, so this is a multiple line test. If you've done that, whatever instruction or information you want to put in your work, you use multiple line test. If a single line test cannot help you execute that, you use your multiple line test. Okay, now you have done it. So okay, assume you want to copy a particular test from one set test to another. Assume like a house, and you want to label the house. You have a house plan. I want to label it. Label the door, label the windows, label the bricks, the roof, and the everything. Any item in the house plan you want to label, either the toilet, the kitchen, the living room. You use multiple line test. You can use multiple line test or single line test. And if you want to copy a test, it's just normal copy. You just type copy on your keyboard. You enter. Okay, you select the object. This is the test. You just select the test. You don't enter. Okay, as you enter, just click on this test. Click on the test. You drop it. Okay, as many places you want to copy, you can be able to copy it. Okay, I'm able to copy it as many places you want to copy. Okay, so that's how to copy a test. You just delete. Okay, delete as many as possible. So if this area you want to edit, you can edit this one. Okay, you can double click. Okay, double click and highlight and type a different one. Okay, assume it's a house and you want to name different part, you will be able to copy and execute that. So that's how to copy a test, how to put multiple line test and a single line test. Okay, hope you are watching. And now finally we'll go on how to print your work or print your project with a particular scale. Okay, you now switch over to the model. Now if you want to, AutoCAD have two document or two platform. You have the model. Look down on this your status bar. You have a model. The next one you have layout. Layout 1. I have layout 2. Okay, model is where you do your modeling, and when you want to print your work, come to layer. Okay, if you come to layout 1, you see your work is under a particular shape. This area is where this dark line, okay, that dark line is called a viewport. This area is called a viewport. Okay, that is a viewport. You can move, click outside, middle mouse button, you can be able to move the entire page. So this is just like a printable area with a paper size. Okay, you can be able to scale your work. This viewport. Okay, If you click on viewport, click inside, you'll be able to move your work inside. Okay, you click on viewport, make sure it's highlighted, then you click outside. You can be able to move your work inside. If you double click on viewport, okay, to do that, if you move, the entire page will move. But if you want to move your work inside, click on this viewport, double click, okay. Not that, go to layer, okay. Now, to click on a viewport to move only your work so that you'll be able to zoom your work, double click on this viewport, okay. Thing went off, sorry about that. Double click on this viewport, okay. Now you can be able to move your work inside, okay. Be able to move your work inside, be able to zoom, it, okay. Zoom your work. Yeah, to enable you to be able to zoom to a particular page. So you can zoom this work. Assuming I want to print, this is what I want to print, okay. Actually, I edit inside. Assuming this is the page, the item or the part of the work you want to do. But actually, you can design more than one project in a single page or in a single document. So when you want to print, you're able to space them apart, and when you put them in a layout, you can be able to zoom and have your paper size scale up, okay. Now this is what I want to print this. If you come to this place, this status bar, you have this is a model paper space, okay. If you click there, you can switch over to model. Yeah, this is the paper size, the viewport scale. Now you can be able to scale your paper to have this paper size, how to 1 to 1, 1 to 2, all through here. Have the paper size you want, okay. If I want to scale it to 1 to 2, okay. If I scale it, okay, this is 1 to 2, okay. To scale your paper, to set your paper page, you come to this layer 1, you right click, okay. You come to this page setup, okay. Come to the page setup, click on it, okay. Dialog box will come up for you to do whatever thing you want. You click on modify. This is the layer 1 is the one you are currently on, okay. You modify it. Now a print layout come out, so that when you want to print, you get your page setup, okay. Then you now choose the format you want to save. Assuming you are not in a printing shop, you want to save your work, okay. It's better save it as a PDF file, okay. Come to this PDF WG to PDF, okay. This WG, I told you from the first tutorial that the WG is a file extension in SolidWorks. That WGG stands for drawing, okay. WGG is a file extension in SolidWorks, okay. This file extension, you will save it in a PDF format, okay. If you click on that PDF format, you click on it, it's already selected. Then come to paper size. On the paper size, you can choose any paper size you want. Choose A4, okay. For me, I choose A1 because I know it will definitely fit there, okay. Choose ISO A1, I choose on it, you choose it, okay. That is it. You choose and say okay. You say okay here and close. You close it here, okay. So this is the scale of the paper. So if you print it now, I'll show you what to do. So the scale is viewport scale is 1:2. That's how you scale your work, okay. How you scale your work. You want to print in PDF or you save it in as a file in PDF. Come here, right click, come to this plot, okay. You choose all your selections are all done, okay. This is what you want, okay. This is what you selected, okay. Okay, now say okay. Okay, you want to save it as This is a PDF drawing layer PDF. Now save it. Okay, wait for it to save, automatically save and open a PDF file for you. Just wait a bit. Okay, so this is a PDF file document. It automatically save in where you save your formal work, in that very folder. So if you print it, this is what you definitely see. So if the layers you want to print your work is what you want to see, where it's printed in color or black and white, so you change that layer accordingly. So if this is what you want, you print this only this one from that other works you did. So that's how you scale your work. If you have different project in one document, you scale a particular one, zoom it to that layout and print it. Okay, so you can close, you go over it. Okay, you now zoom. Okay, I zoom the house. This is the one I want to print now. This house is the one I want to print now. I can just zoom it to this area. Okay, actually you can zoom this is your viewport. You can zoom it. Okay, zoom it, scale it to this area. Okay, you still come to scale here, pick your scale 1:2. Okay, if this is too big for you here, you go over it, maybe 1:4. Okay, this one is okay, this one is okay. Or if you can customize it. If the scale you want is not there, you can customize. Click on that customize and wait for you add your own. You add, okay, maybe 1:3. I want to put a scale name. Okay, now if you now choose your own scale, and now choose, okay, if let me choose 1:8. 1:8 is too small. I want the one that will give me only here. Okay, I choose choose 1:4. Let me go 1:4. Okay, you can also zoom it. 1:4, maybe 1:4. Okay, then want to print this, only this work. As well, you can zoom it, or you customize the one that will fit your work very well here, where your work will show in this paper size. So as it's displaying here, that's how the paper size will come up. Let's go with 1:4. You want to print, right click on this layout, you now plot. Okay, now plot everything being equal. You now say okay, then you now choose the file name. The one you choose was file 1. Now plot this one, save. Okay, save it, automatically save and plot it for you. Okay, so this is how you print your work. Scale it a particular work, you zoom it, how you navigate between your layout and model, and how you can be able to print. Here is a PDF file. You save it, it's already saved in your document, your folder you created. Okay, so that's how you scale your work. Assuming you want to print this one, you also scale this one and follow the same process. Okay, you zoom it in this area, or use your scale, any scale that will go with it, that will enable it to go. You choose this particular scale that will go for it. Okay, so that's how you choose. You test all this one that will fit your work, or you customize it with your own scale. As when you have your own scale, click on this flyout. If you click on this custom, it will give you access to it to print. You set your page, right click, page setup manager, you choose, you modify. Okay, choose whatever format you want to. I advise you, because you might not always be where a printing shop is, for you to just select the printer. You save it as a PDF, AutoCAD PDF file format. then select the paper size. You now say okay. Okay, you now say you close. And when you want to print, you come here, right click and plot. In that plot, you make sure that if all your selections are all here, everything being equal, you now say okay. It will automatically save in a PDF file for you, and to display it for you. If you have a Adobe page document of software in your system, it automatically save it and open it for you. Okay, you want to switch back to the model, come to the model, switch over back to the model, so you have your work. As you have as many work as possible, you model in this page, you can print them separately with the help of layout. Okay, so that's how you can print your project with a particular scale. Okay, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next series of tutorials. Thank you.